Gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Subrata Sarker. I'm a mechanical engineer working on manufacturing in industry more than 24 years. Today I'll be sharing a very common topic, that is BMI, body mass index. BMI is an indicator of correctness of body weight, whether the person is got overweight, underweight or have normal weight. There is also a graphical presentation here, where the horizontal axis represents the weight of the person and vertical axis is the height, and if you connect these intersection points, if it locates in different zones, accordingly that will be your category, whether you are underweight, overweight or normal weight or obese or highly obese, etc. Say for example a person's weight is 70 kg. It doesn't make any sense. I mean, it's not a complete information whether the person is overweight or underweight or correct weight. A person height 4 feet 11 inch and having 70 kg weight comes under the category of obese. A person's weight 70 kg but height is 5 feet 1 inch, it comes under the overweight category. The same 70 kg weight person, if the height of the person is 5 feet 7 inch, it comes under the healthy category of the persons. So weight and height has a relationship which is basically called the BMI, body mass index. And there is a formula also for body mass index calculations. It is basically your weight divided by your height in meters square. Say for example your weight is 75 kg, your height is 1.6 meter. So your body mass index will be 75 divided 1.6 into 1.6, that is 29.3. That is your body mass index. Now if your body mass index is below 16, it is a disease basically. Under medical treatment, it needs immediate attention. It's called anorexia nervosa, or simple way to understand, it is a eating disorder. At the time person cannot take food actually, and food cannot be digested. There is a typical disorder in the body. It's called anorexia nervosa, and persons will be highly underweight actually. You can see here in this picture. And if the BMI of the person below 18.5, it is called underweight. And if the BMI ranges between 18.5 to 24.9, the person is called the normal weight. And if the body mass index of a person range between 25 to 29.9, it's called the overweight of the person. And if the body mass index of any person is between 30 to 34.9, is categorized as obese person. And if the body mass index is ranging between 35 to 39.9, the person is called the severely obese person. And if body mass index ranging between 40 to 60, it's called the morbid obese. And if the body mass index of the person is more than 60, it is called highly morbid obese. Now, what are the reason actually to gain, people are gaining weight or the overweight or the obese or highly obese like that? Number one is the metabolic disorder. It needs medical attention, hormonal imbalances, laziness of the person, no physical activity. Sometimes hereditary factor also causes. Post-surgery effects are also there, mostly for the female. Some medicinal effects are also there. Emotional imbalances also causes overweight of the person. Some environmental causes are there. And last but not the least is the food addiction. Or rather you can say food addiction is number one causes of obesity actually. It needs a very huge control. Then the weight can be controlled. And when a person is gaining overweight or extra weight actually, lot of health risk is there actually. Say for example diabetes type 2, high blood pressure, heart diseases, high cholesterol, gallbladder diseases, sleep apnea, osteoporosis, fatty liver diseases, and even it can go for the cancer also, for the gaining heavy weight in the body. So if you find this presentation is interesting and informative, you can share with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, You can subscribe to the channel by clicking on the bell icon. You can get notification for my future presentation. Thank you so much for your attention and time.